This is Murad Fiki, your real estate expert. I'm so excited. I have my buddies right here, Nancy, Josh, and John, and we are in pre-renovation, pre-construction stage of this beautiful 1920s home in just east. We're east of East downtown, so east of Edo, if you've heard the term. So you know, you got Minute Maid Park just west of us. We got Dynamo Stadium. We got the Metro Rail. I mean, this is prime Houston, and this whole area is being redeveloped. So you know, we have awesome real estate investors and contractors who come into a home that, as you'll see, needs some work, needs some love, and they're going to give it that love. And that is just awesome. That is what free enterprise is all about. That's what we do in Houston. So thank you for having us.
Thank you.
And
Thank
this
you.
is even better than HGTV. This is Murad Fiki TV.
Awesome. Yeah.
I'm super excited, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to talk to us a little bit about the house and then give us a walkthrough?
Sure, real quick. On the outside, we're not going to do too much because it's in really good shape, but we are going to get some foundation work done, put a new roof up on top, repaint it to something that's a little bit more today, and a little bit of porch work, although it looks really nice the way it is.
Right.
Most of it is inside and under the covers.
All right, well, take us through. So this has a pier foundation.
Pier and beam.
Pier and foundation. Pier and beam foundation right here. Does the dog come with the house?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
So we'll get a new front door as well.
Now, I like that porch outside. That's pretty nice. That's
It's
a really nice way
Yeah,
to
very nice.
kind of awesome. So
We're in the
yeah. Okay, go ahead.
we're in the living room right now.
We're just
There
getting a
we
nice
go.
view of the.
It's got a
There
full
we
body
go.
shot. Full body shot. Yeah, yes, why don't you just talk to
Yeah,
what we're
so
gonna do
real
in this
quick,
room.
so we are in the living room at this point. If you can take a look over behind me here, we've got a column and a beam. This is all coming out. We're going to open up this whole area. The dining room's back here, and that wall that's behind the dining room, that is also going to get opened up. The kitchen is right behind there. We're going to have a nice big open concept from the front door all the way through to the back of the kitchen.
So we're gonna knock down this wall right here.
That wall's coming down.
Right, right.
Boom!
Boom. We'll get you a sledgehammer.
Brand new
same-
floors
I wanna
throughout
knock
the
it
whole
down.
house
We'll get
as
you
well.
a sledgehammer.
You're gonna be here.
We're
Not
gonna
gonna
be there.
We'll tell you.
And at the same time, some of the original trim is going to stay to keep the heart of the character of the home. So we're not stripping it out of the character of the 1920s. We're adding value to it. So it's going to look more modern and have some few touches from the past.
Now I noticed like you have window AC units. So are those coming out? Are you having a centralized AC system?
Of course, all that'll come out. We're actually going to run a full HVAC system through the whole entire place to give it that updated feel.
Awesome.
Those just don't.
No, they don't
They
cut
can't.
it.
They just
Right.
don't cut it.
Right.
Especially with our 105-degree
So
weather.
you're gonna have to
So
have like a whole venting system
Yes.
throughout the
Yep.
entire house. What about the plumbing, electrical?
Plumbing will be updated to new codes, and so will electrical.
Nice.
So pretty much you're gonna have almost a brand new home.
Brand new roof.
Right.
Brand new
Brand new
roof.
roof.
All right.
New sewer lines,
Awesome.
all that stuff.
All right, let's check out the kitchen. So this wall right here is coming down.
Yes.
Yep, it's coming down.
Boom!
Nice big counter to replace it. We are going to have brand new cabinets, top and bottom, all the way around, wrap around here. We're going to have a hanging hood here because we will maintain the stove in this
And
particular
this will be an
area.
island with a cooktop, right?
Exactly.
And that'll
And
open
you'll
up
be
to
able
the
to see
kitchen.
the front of the house.
Right, you would
Yeah.
walk around it,
Okay.
so that coping concept's going to be really nice.
Nice.
New lighting
So this
fixtures.
actually could be a really nice entertainment
Sure, yeah, it will be.
just
Okay.
because of the open concept,
Right.
the counter here and so
Right.
forth.
And then new flooring.
New flooring, new fixtures, light fixtures
Awesome.
throughout the whole house.
Right.
And back here we have a mudroom slash bathroom,
What happened
playroom
here?
slash disaster.
Yeah.
So one of the reasons we're replacing the roof is because we have some leaks here. This particular room was actually an addition after the original build.
Okay.
So the roof line is not matched up completely. The ceiling is lower than the other rooms. So Josh
I'm about
and
to
his
bump my
team
head
are
off.
going to come in here and they're going to raise this up, get us a better roof line. It's going to be a much better feel to this particular room. And over here on the right side, we're going to put a new laundry. So we'll have new plumbing coming in there, dedicated laundry with doors closed and so forth.
Awesome.
Did you talk about the roof line?
Is this wall coming down?
That wall is staying up.
Okay.
So this will stay more of a dedicated room. We do have the entry back here, the
Okay.
back entry. So
Okay.
we'll take advantage of that.
Awesome. So now here we have the third bedroom. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Third bedroom. Go.
Yeah, this is a smaller room in the house, but it will be a bedroom, probably for some children or a mother-in-law kind of thing like that. It does have a nice closet. We're going to redo the siding, get rid of this old school siding. This used to be a laundry room, maybe a water heater over here or something. So all this piping is going to go out, and we're going to relocate that to the other side of the house. And so keeping the windows like they are, kind of reframing them, recaulking them, making them usable. We're not getting rid of the windows.
What about light
So,
fixtures?
All the fixtures will be taken care of, raised up to have
Okay.
more open. We like to use
Modern
yes,
light
modern, usually a brushed aluminum style or something like that.
fixtures? Outstanding.
We also like using the daylight light bulbs, the LED daylight, so it really gives a nice look to the house. It really makes it look open. So here,
Voodoo doll?
I don't know, whatever's there, you can. I'm sure Yancy will give you a good price on it. So
So right now we're walking through a doorway into one of the other two bigger bedrooms. This is actually going to get closed off so that we have a true dedicated bedroom back there. So in this room, again, new floors. The biggest change in this room is going to be revitalizing the closet space. It's a very large closet, so Josh's team is going to work some magic on that. We have a small closet here that is going away, and that takes us into one of the biggest parts of the project, and I'll let Josh walk you through that.
Awesome bathroom.
Yeah, as you can see right now, this is a great bathroom. Actually, we're going to take this whole bathroom and gut it all out. Where these two closets are, we're just going to extend it all the way to the front room and have the entrance actually come from the front room, walk into the bathroom with a double vanity, a big shower in the back. Just make this feel a lot more pleasing for multiple people in the home. And as you can see, it's very, very small right now.
Awesome. So you're basically stealing space from the closets
Yes.
and building out the bathroom
Yep.
bigger, building a nice big bathroom. I love
Exactly.
it. I think that's a great idea.
So in here, this is the third bedroom. Could probably be considered the master just because of the slightly larger size. Since we are taking out the closet that's already here, we are going to need to put a closet back in. That's the biggest change in this particular room, is that switch of the closets.
Okay. Okay, and then this brings us back into
All the way,
main living room.
yes. And we're back around.
Very well.
So,
Awesome. Well, that is fantastic. I think this is a great job y'all doing. This is almost going to be a brand new house.
Exactly, exactly. Except
Almost.
for a little bit of the exterior bones, everything else will be updated and
yeah, all new plumbing, all new electrical,
New
fully
roof.
up to code.
Yep.
Roof is going to be fully updated, all the fixtures, new floor, of course, a lot of interior painting, sheetrock,
open concept.
and open concept.
I love it. So just so for the average, person who has never done a fix and flip, what is the scope of budget? What would it cost approximately to do a flip of this magnitude, a rehab of this magnitude?
Of this magnitude, you're going to be roughly to $60,000 to $80,000.
Okay.
For this particular one, we actually landed right in the middle, about $70,000.
Sure.
Since we're updating a lot of the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing on the house, and the roof especially, a lot of money goes to those higher ticket items. And then we're going to come in and take about 50% of that and do all the cosmetic stuff.
Right.
Interior.
Probably roughly half of that
That's
number
about 50-50
is
almost.
is upgrading the house to make it more modern.
Yeah, two
making it
code
fit the
first,
code.
and then the other
The
part
rest is interior.
making it to look pretty.
Right.
But we're gonna totally transform this house,
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
and it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
And I want everyone to stay tuned as we fix and flip this house and transform it and bring it from the 1920s to 2020.
Yeah.
100 years.
100 years.
Yeah,
That's
right.
a good. That's a good.
That's
That's good.
That's awesome.
Yeah, man. That's good.
Thank you for being on my show. And as always, this is even better than HGTV. This is Murad Fiki TV. And I'm so excited. Boom, baby. Stay tuned.